Yo, Snoopy, guess what?
What?
Yo, so someone hooked me up.
Wait. What is that?
I'm about to tell you. Okay, so yo, one of my buds hooked me up with this vape, right? And
What did mom and dad say about vaping?
what did I say about we tell each other stuff and we don't tell parents, right?
But that can hurt your lungs.
No, it won't. I've been doing it for a while.
Oh my god.
Anyways, watch. So look,
What?
I'm gonna take the biggest hit ever. You watching?
Yeah, but I'm watching. Listen, that's not... You shouldn't be doing that. That's gonna hurt. Oh my god. Okay, you can stop now. Yeah, we'll leave the...
Okay,
Okay, so
So yeah,
who's
how-
cleaning that up?
the janitor.
There's no janitor
Shut
in our house. Mom's gonna ground you
I think
for
I'm
that.
getting up. You're not gonna tell her, right? No.
No, I'm not going to tell her, obviously.
I won't tell her that you're drinking Monster. Remember? You're not supposed to.
Oh, shut up. Okay.
Exactly.
What do you want? Why are you in my room?
Alright, so this is my room.
No, this is my room.
We share a room.
Oh, dang it, right.
Alright, so you know that new console that came out? The new
Daniel Roof? I don't know this stuff, man.
Yeah, you boomer.
No, I'm not a boomer. I'm 14.
Yeah, and I'm 13 and a half.
Well, wait, we're
whatever.
not supposed to be on the internet. How do you know this stuff? Oh my god. Blizzard, you're gonna get yourself grounded.
No one's gonna know, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Anyways, can you buy me that new Nintendo Switch console? It's only $1,000.
Okay, so what makes you think I have that sort of money? If I can't afford Skittles, what makes you think that I can't buy that?
You can't afford Skittles?
No, I have no money.
Bro, it's $1.50 at the dollar store.
I have no money! What part of that did you not understand?
Poor Snoopy. Here, take a 10.
I won't take your...
Take the 10!
I don't want your money. Oh,
The 10.
okay.
Give me my vape back, too.
You're not getting your...
Get it? Give me it. Give it.
Okay, but don't constantly smoke it.
I won't.
But like, yeah, I have no... $10 isn't gonna get us a Nintendo Switch,
I
Blizzard.
mean, it could.
Consoles are expensive.
Wait, I have an idea. You know that abandoned factory?
The-
We could rob money from there.
That's an awful idea. It's private property. There's obviously gonna be security cameras and a bunch of stuff.
Another one, I promise.
This is an awful idea. What if
No,
mom and
it's
dad
not,
find out?
I promise. I don't think I'm high.
I think you are.
I don't know.
But like,
I was out with my friends last night.
I don't think this is a smart idea, man, because we can obviously get in a lot of crap for this.
I know. Trust me. Me and my buds got in trouble last night because we were at a strip club. Underage. Anyways, you're not going to tell mom this, right?
But no.
Alright.
But like, you can. Can't you do that with one of your
Okay,
friends?
Just hit a friend. What? Please, just
No,
one.
No,
Just one. Okay, you don't need to get addicted. It's just one.
I don't want one.
Just do it.
No, but like...
Just do it. Just once. I swear you're gonna like it.
Can we go back on topic?
Alright, but do it first.
No,
Good,
yuck.
right?
No.
Oh, it's watermelon.
Okay, like I was saying, can't you do that with one of your other friends, if you have any?
Nope. Don't have any.
I thought you were the cool kid in school. How do you have no friends?
I don't have friends. I got women. I got best friends.
Okay, then get one of your best friends.
Nah, yeah, I got one.
Oh. Okay, fine, but...
Let's go!
If we get in trouble...
Biggest hit.
No, stop it. Stop it. Okay, so...
Hey,
if we get in trouble, you gotta take accountability.
I'll take all the blame, I promise.
Yeah,
God.
you better.
Oh, God. Can I
Okay.
have my vape back?
I'll even grab some of my earbud walkie-talkie things so we can communicate with each other,
Alright.
okay?
I'm taking that 10 back, by the way. I gotta buy me some Skittles.
Yeah, let's go.
I'll buy you some. Don't worry, dog.
This is an awful idea.
We built this house, our memories. Take my picture promise me a place in your house of memories.
Huh. This place seems to store a lot of stuff.
Holy shit, Snoopy, I found a Woody!
A Woody doll?
No, a fucking rubber dick, you dumbass!
Oh, cool.
Yeah, you know, like a little logger. You know?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, well, my girlfriend said I have a small penis, so I'm gonna get her this, and, like, it's kind of rusty, so that's, if she uses it, then she's gonna either get cancer or diabetes, I don't know. One of the two, but, like, yeah, that's
How does she know what your dick look like? I mean, like, you're 13 and a half. How the fuck does she know what your dick looks like?
Beep.
Oh my god, Blizzard.
Holy shit, Snoopy! Come here, look what I found!
What did you find?
I found a fucking sex doll! Can I keep it? Can I keep it, please, Snoopy?
That's not a fucking sex doll! That's a robot, you...
Ow! What the fuck? That's a sex doll!
That's fucking Freddy Fazbear!
Exactly! Same thing! Different words. Can we keep him?
No!
What?
No, don't touch that! There's probably like a child corpse in there. Do you not know the FNAF lore?
Nope.
Don't touch...
Let me
stay away from
touch it.
Don't... There's
It
nothing...
has a penis. Yo! I could get this for my girlfriend too.
No! Put it down! We're not stealing robots, we're looking for money.
I have the Woody in my pocket. You know,
Keep looking, come on.
for more rubber dicks.
No! For the money!
Oh, I found a box over here.
Fucking annoying.
Oh shit.
Glad you can make it to the meeting spot, Maxie.
Don't call me that.
I will call you whatever the fuck I want. I have the gun. You do not.
Whatever. Where's the merchandise?
You'll get it once you show me the fucking money.
This is all I got.
Right.
Holy shit, is that Max? Snoopy. Snoopy. Snoopy, answer the fucking thing. What the hell is he doing?
Holy crap. This is a freaking, like, one of those Japanese apartment things.
Shit, poor section. Why the hell? Oh shit.
What the hell was that? Did you bring another person over here to jump me?
No.
Were you trying to scam the shit out of me? Trying to take my money, my drugs, take your money back?
No!
Then why the fuck is there a second person here?
Blizzard! Hey, Max. What are you doing here?
Oh, I'm gonna show you a thing or two about trying to jump a motherfucker.
If you lay one hand on him, I will kill you.
I won't be doing less than just put a fucking hand on him. I'm gonna kill the mofo. I don't even need my gun because I can strangle him.
Run! I go in school fights all the time, boy. I can fight him. Come on. Ow! Stop! Stop!
Shit is boring as hell.
Hey!
Blizzard?
Help me! Blizzard, hold on! Hold still! I can't fucking hold still! He's beating the shit out of me! I got this!
This is what you get for scamming a motherfucker.
What did you make me do?
I didn't make you do anything. You are now facing the action. The consequences of your actions. See ya, motherfucker!
Blizzard, no! Blizzard, wake up, please. Please, Blizzard.
Blizzard, I'm coming! Where the hell are you? Why aren't you answering your radio?
Fuck it. I'm sorry.
Blizzard, where the hell are you? Max? Holy crap, nice to see... buddy? You alright?
Snoopy, I'm sorry.
What? What are you sorry about?
He's gone.
What?
I tried to help him.
What are you
The guy jumped him and he shot him.
Max, what are you talking about?
He's gone.
Who's gone? Who? Max.
Blizzard.
What? Blizzard? He's not gone. He's somewhere around the factory. He's looking for the money.
Snoopy, I watched him get shot.
Oh, I see what you're doing. This is another one of your sick fucking jokes. Well, guess what, Max? I'm not fucking laughing.
He's right there. Look at the blood.
That's
Look at the fur. Look inside, Snoopy.
that's a robot we saw earlier.
Look inside. I'm sorry.
This is some sick fucking joke. He's playing along, isn't he?
I watched him get shot, Snoopy. There's blood over there. He got jumped and shot.
He's not. Oh fuck, man. Oh god, you're very funny, Max. But like,
I am not kidding. Look inside, Snoopy. Why would I lie to you right now?
because you make these sort of jokes all the time. It's just not with my
Snoopy,
siblings.
the gun is right there. There's no bullets inside.
Who would kill him? He's just a fucking kid. He's just a stupid, dumb, innocent kid who didn't do anything to anyone. He didn't do anything to anyone. Fuck. Who would fucking kill him? I'll kill them. I'll fucking rip out their throat. I'll fucking kill them. Fucking killed him. He only came here to grab money so we could get him a fucking console. He can't be gone. He's too young. He had his whole life ahead of him.
Snoopy, I get it. I lost my parents. I didn't believe it either.
What do I tell my parents? Me and him came over to a factory that he gets jumped and killed. Who's fucking at fault there? It's my fault we even came here in the first place. I fucking agreed. I shouldn't have.
I'll help you.
He's my little brother, Max. I can't.
I know, Snoopy. I know how much this meant to you. I lost a brother too. Not Boris. Another brother. He was only 2 years old. He got stabbed by our parents. Boris killed our parents. After that, that's why they're gone. Our dad got in a rage. Our dad convinced our mom, and they killed him together. And Boris. I don't want it.
Yeah.
I don't even want to know what he did to them. But they still something.
Rest in peace, Blizzard. I hope I was a great brother to you. I hope that I was able to do enough. And I'm sorry I did not save you, buddy. I would've. I fucking would've. I wish you the best of luck in the afterlife, and I hope that we can see each other again. Okay? I will find who did this to you, and I will fucking kill them. You understand that? I will fucking kill them for you, okay? Fuck. I need to go. Oh, where am I?
Snoopy?